Rajmata Ahilyabai Holkar, the revered Maharani of Indore, passed away on August 13, 1795. Born on May 31, 1725 in Maharashtra, she became the ruler of Indore after the death of her husband Khande Rao Holkar and later her father-in-law Malhar Rao Holkar in 1767. Known for her just and compassionate rule, Ahilyabai Holkar focused on the development of her state, implementing agricultural reforms and supporting social welfare. She is specially remembered for her contribution to religious architecture, overseeing the construction and restoration of significant temples such as Kashi Vishwanath, Somnath, Dwarka, and Ayodhya. Her legacy as an exemplary ruler endures in Indian history. Bhikaji Cama, a prominent freedom fighter and social worker, passed away on August 13, 1936. Born on September 24, 1861 in a Parsi family in Mumbai, she became a key figure in India's struggle for independence. Known for her fiery slogan, "India should be free, India should be a republic, India should have unity," Cama made history by hoisting the first tricolor flag of India at the 7th International Socialist Congress in Stuttgart, Germany on August 22, 1907. She actively promoted revolutionary ideas through newspapers like Vande Mataram and Talwar. Although the design of the flag changed post-independence, the spirit of unity and patriotism that Cama embodied remained strong. In her honor, the Indian government issued a postage stamp on Republic Day in 1962, commemorating her significant contributions to the freedom movement. Florence Nightingale, a pioneering British nurse and social reformer, passed away on August 13, 1910. Born on May 12, 1820 in Italy, she is recognized as the founder of modern nursing. Defying the norms of her time, she chose nursing as her career when it was seen as a lowly profession. During the Crimean War in 1853, Nightingale was sent by the British government to improve the dire conditions in military hospitals. Her efforts in ensuring cleanliness, hygiene, and better medical care drastically reduced the mortality rate of soldiers. Known as the Lady with the Lamp for her habit of tending to the wounded at night, she became a symbol of compassion and dedication. In 1860, she established the Nightingale Training School in London, which became a vital institution for nursing training. Nightingale also authored numerous works on health and hospital management, significantly advancing public health and nursing as a respected profession.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 13, 1951, India's first indigenous aircraft, the Hindustan Trainer 2, took its inaugural flight. This two-seater aircraft, designed for the Indian Air Force and Navy, began production in 1953. The initial model was completed by August 1949, and after several evaluations and suggestions for improvements, the final design was ready by February 1950. The aircraft was first showcased to the public on August 13, 1951. In 1958, India exported 12 HT-2 aircraft to Ghana, marking its first international sale. The HT-2 was also exhibited in Australia and Singapore. The aircraft was developed under the leadership of Dr. V.M. Ghatke, often referred to as the Bhishma Pitama of the Indian aircraft industry. World Organ Donation Day is celebrated globally on August 13 to honor those who donate their organs to save lives. Initially celebrated in India on August 3, 1994, this day marked the first successful deceased donor heart transplant in the country. Until 2022, India observed Organ Donation Day on November 27, but started in 2023, it shifted to August 3. The day aims to raise awareness, dispel myths about organ donation, and encourage people to donate their organs after death. The first organ donation in the world occurred in 1954 when Ronald Lee Herrick donated his kidney to his twin brother, a groundbreaking operation performed by Dr. Joseph Murray, who later received the Nobel Prize in 1990.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiasts and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.